rocker panel, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up the back side of these holes with the cutoff wheel. And I got this thing cut to length on this side, so I'm getting ready to install this piece. I went ahead and ordered some weld through primer. I couldn't find any locally, so I'm waiting for that till I start to install those inner rocker panels, because there's going to be flat areas of metal getting welded onto other pieces of metal, and I thought that would be the best. Okay, I got this windshield wiper piece removed from here. I'm going to get started to clean up in here. Okay, I got this area all cleaned up with the wire wheel. I'm getting ready to weld here this inner rocker panel in. So that's looking good. Battery is going bad, so I can only record for a few seconds at a time. So I got this done, and I'm going to have to make some patches for here, and a little patch to go underneath here. Okay, I spent about an hour digging all the nastiness out of this area here with the grinder. Got it looking nice and clean, and getting it ready for to weld that piece back on here. I'm going to go back through with the wire wheel and get the rust out of these pits. And this area got all the spot welds ground off, so this is looking good. Got some primer on there. Gonna hit this with a little primer, and it's ready to weld. Okay, I'm noticing that there's some decay going on in here, so I went ahead and took this piece out of here, and we're seeing a lot of rust in here. I'm going to have to go ahead and rebuild this whole structure before I do that repair on the outside. So I mean, that could have all been covered up, but I don't want to build any rust. You know, good repairs over bad. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and get started now. Okay, I got some cuts in there, and ready to get all this cancer out of there.
Cut this evil out.
Okay, I went ahead and opened up this piece a little bit more. There was some rust up in here, and I'm going to need to get in here to weld a new piece of metal, a flat piece up there, and yeah, this is going to be a lot easier this way. Okay, I got this little piece made. Give that some strength right there. And I'm ready to weld that all together, and then weld it all in. Okay, we're going to make some spot welds here. Okay, I'm hitting this inside area up with some rust reformer up in here and over here. Okay, I got this piece in there, welded in, ground that down. It's looking really good. I got to make a piece for right here and fit that piece back on here, but it's looking really strong. And I got these spot welds ground down here, and I'll just weld that piece in. I'll be done